Okay, let's see how you found this. So you can follow through on the video. The great thing today is you can actually pause me. You're not allowed to pause me in class, but you can pause the video. You can even rewind me, although I can't think why you would want to do that. All right, so we're going to go over it. When you see something that you've got correct, you can put a little check mark. And if you've missed it out, you can go back and fill it in. All right, so we are circling the conjunctions. Mrs. Clark has an interesting job. It's a simple sentence. Okay, she is a veterinarian and check mark. Okay, she works at a zoo, so that's a compound. She gives the animals medicine when they are sick. Here's another one. And she operates on them sometimes. And just keep an eye out. Remember, there's two subjects. She, okay? She can clean their teeth, comma, conjunction, but she has to call a dentist to take care of bad teeth. Do you think you would like this job, or would you hate it? Okay, how did you get on with that? All right, on section B, all right, you can have a look and check your sentences, and you can talk to your grown-ups and tell them why you know that they're definitely compounds. And maybe you're going to find out that they're not, and that's okay. All right, so remember, we're going to use one of these as a conjunction. If it's a conjunction, it's going to join two simple sentences. Okay? All right, let's check. I've done one. Okay, let's see if I've done it right. Willow ate her breakfast. Okay? And then she went to sleep. So here's my conjunction. How do I know it's a conjunction? Because Willow is the subject. What did she do? She ate her breakfast. Okay, and my next sentence is then she went to sleep. Here's my subject, she. What did she do? She went to sleep. But I have to show you something. Look. Haha, she is not sleeping, because you know what happened? The minute I wrote that, she took a run outside, and she's currently outside chasing squirrels. So I would have to rewrite my sentence. So you go through your sentences if you've done this, okay, and you can pause the video and check, do I have two simple, are they simple sentences on either side? Okay, you show your grown-ups and prove to them that they are. Okay, this one we've got simple or compound. Okay, we stack the books on the librarian's desk. It is a simple sentence. There are no conjunctions. Okay, and we only have one subject. Okay, the rain boots were stored in the closet, comma, conjunction. And here we're going with another subject and another predicate. So this is definitely compound. Okay, my brother drank all the milk. Oh, look. Okay, all right, but new subject, he left some of the cookies. Okay, so both of these are compounds. Many people slipped on the icy sidewalk. Many people as our subject. What did they do? They slipped on the icy sidewalk. It's just simple. The referee blew his whistle at the end of the game. Okay, how many subjects? Just the one, the referee. We've got no conjunctions, so definitely simple. Okay, I yelled at them to be careful, but look, we've got a conjunction and we've got a comma. It was too late. Two simple sentences. Okay, fourth graders, if you were doing this, okay, check your simple sentence. Is it just one simple sentence about a kite? Okay, and then your dinosaur sentence should have two simple sentences, and you should have a conjunction and a comma in the middle. All right. Okay, let's go over these. These are writing compound sentences. Okay, if you're third graders and you weren't doing your writing, still listen to this part of the video because it will help you recognise. Okay, the children traded baseball cards, comma, conjunction. We're on to a new subject. And then they talked about the players. Okay. The immigrants crossed the ocean, comma, and conjunction, they finally reached a new land. And if you've got these right, you can put check marks in. Okay. Do you want to go to the movies, comma, or would you rather go to the soccer game? Question mark. Okay. Eric wanted to go play ball with his friends, comma, but he had to give the dog a bath first. And we've got comma, conjunction, which is correct. Okay, let me just take a minute to point something else out to you on this page. Okay, so let's look at my handwriting. Okay, my words are sitting on the line, and then the letters that have to go under the line, do you see how they go under? Here's a good example with this. All right, can you see the spaces between the words? They're not huge, but they're just enough, okay, that we can tell that these are separate words, and that's important. And the other thing that we're working on, okay, and some of you are paying particular attention to this, is we're watching out for these capital letters, and they go at the start of a sentence and they go in proper nouns, naming, okay, for a name of a person or a name of a city or the month of a year. We don't want them jumping into the middle of sentences. And some of the ones that we're paying attention to are, we've got some of these jumping in and some of these jumping in, okay? So just pay attention and look, have you got all lowercase letters apart from at the beginning of a sentence? All right, good job, well done. That's your grammar finished, okay? So you'll have checked that, and next week in class, I'll go back and check your work on Rule 3. All right, good job, well done.